Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage credit utilization with Citibank, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding credit utilization is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit score. Credit utilization is the percentage of your total credit limit that you're currently using. To manage your credit utilization effectively with Citibank, start by reviewing your current credit situation. Log into your Citibank account to check your available credit limits across all your credit cards. Next, calculate your total credit limits by adding up the credit limits of all your Citibank cards. Then, check your current balances on each card. Now, divide your total balances by your total credit limits. Multiplying this result by 100 will give you your overall credit utilization percentage. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. If you notice your utilization is higher, consider paying down your balances more frequently. One effective method is to make multiple payments within a billing cycle. This helps lower your balance before the statement closing date. Another option is to request a credit limit increase on your Citibank cards. A higher credit limit can lower your utilization ratio if your spending remains the same. However, be cautious with this approach, as it may result in a hard inquiry. Additionally, consider spreading out purchases across different cards to avoid hitting the limit on any one card. Monitor your credit utilization regularly to stay on top of your financial health. Utilizing Citibank's mobile app can help you track your balances in real time. Take advantage of alerts and notifications through the app to stay informed about your spending. Finally, if you're planning to make a significant purchase, pay down your balances beforehand to improve your utilization ratio. By following these steps, you can manage your credit utilization effectively with Citibank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.